Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in timekeeping mode. That's where you set AM/PM. First, take the watch off so buttons are easy to press. Press mode until the time display is visible. Once there, hold adjust for about 3 seconds. The seconds will flash, signaling you're in the settings. This step matters because flashing confirms editable fields. Once done, use search or forward to move between fields. Make sure the seconds reset if needed before changing hour format. Now navigate to the hour field and the 12/24 display. You'll use forward and reverse to move through fields. Set the watch to 12-hour if you want AM or PM to appear. The 24-hour mode removes AM/PM. When in 12-hour mode, adjust the hour using forward. Note that passing 12 toggles AM versus PM, so if you need PM, keep cycling past 12 once. This is why choosing 12-hour first. Finish by adjusting minutes and any other fields, then press adjust to save and exit. The watch returns to timekeeping mode with AM or PM shown if in 12-hour format. If AM/PM still displays incorrectly, switch to 24-hour and back to 12-hour, then reset the hour. This forces the toggle. If buttons don't respond, try a soft reset or, only as a last resort, a battery reset. Doing so clears settings, so reconfigure time afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.